Karen versus Neil Diamond. Who will be the winner? Will it be Karen or will it be Neil Diamond? Oh, Neil's doing well, but Karen's coming up very fast here. I think Karen may win this one. Yes, I think Karen could beat Neil Diamond. What do you say to that, Neil? What did the audience think? The audience quite like Neil. They like Karen as well. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. On behalf of Neil and Karen.